So for the introduction, gula apong is a traditional sweetener commonly found in the Sarawak region. It is made from the sap of the nipa palm, a type of palm tree that grows abundantly in coastal areas and mangrove swamps. The process of obtaining gula apong involves tapping the inflorescence of the nipa palm to collect the sap. And Kampung Lubuk Kura is one of the places known to have a large number of nipa trees and also produce them. So for this project, we are tasked with coming up with an efficient way of transporting 70 liters of nipa sap from jetty Lubuk Kura to jetty Kampung Apong, Tanjung Apong. In order to reach jetty Tanjung Apong, the transportation will need to cross the Sabang River. The distance is 700 meter from jetty Kampung Lubuk Kura to jetty Tanjung Apong.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Castellow and my matrix number is 74774. Today I will take part of both analysis. Both are responsible for transferring loads and forces between components. They help distribute and sustain the applied load, ensure stability and preventing failure or disassembly of the connected part. To ensure the safety factor of both, the use strength, minimum crack diameter and diameter from catalog is recorded. So the bolt we are choose here is steel SAE grade 1 and the diameter bolt is 6.35 mm. The use strength of this bolt is 248.211 megapascal. So everything data here is already recorded and calculated. We are precise by using all each formula. The load factor is a measurement of safety for the design, material or component. So for its deck cargo holder is 1.03 and the engine holder is 1.11. For the yielding factor of safety is a measurement of safety for the applied stress and material use strength. For the deck cargo holder is 2.89 and for the engine holder is 18.50. And for the load factor against the joint separation is a measurement of safety that consider the joint separation of both and its failure. On the deck cargo holder is 81.68. For the engine holder is 341.96. And here I already shown you FPD diagram for the bolt and the table of material use strength, design factor, minimum diameter from catalog and factor of safety itself.
Hello everyone, my name is Dorothy with 74626 metric number. So today I'll be talking about the shaft. Overall, the shaft is a vital component in engine bolt, responsible for transferring power, converting torque, ensuring alignment, and enabling propulsion. It plays a crucial role in the boat's performance, maneuverability, and overall functionality. Therefore, we have chosen the material for our shaft is IC1035 cold drawn. With the diameter of 10 millimeters, shaft length of 431.8 millimeters, and by Goodman Criterion we have obtained our safety factor of 1.642.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Sudin with metric number 64942. Today I'm going to present about bearing. So for start, bearing allows rotating objects to rotate smoothly and quietly. In other words, bearings are parts that assist objects' rotation. It is installed in the shaft system, which rotates continuously. Without it, parts would be constantly replaced due to friction. So here are a few assumptions that we've made. So as shown here, there are 6 assumptions. So this is the analysis that we've done. So first of all, we have to find the X and Y, and then the V is equals to 1. Next, we need to find the catalog load rating. So the X naught, theta and B are variable parameters. Since we are using ball bearing, so the three unknowns are known as shown here. So lastly is choose the suitable bearing size based on the C10 and the shaft diameter if necessary. So from here we can determine the bore size, the outer diameter based on the based on the C10 value.
Here, transmit power from the engine to the propeller shaft, which drive the boat forward. They provide a mechanical link between the engine rotational motion and the propeller. It converting the engine power into a propulsive force. Here we use two gears. Both gears have a 31 number of teeth and pitch diameter is 31 mm. Gear A have a gear width of 31 mm, while gear B has a gear width of 17 mm. Safety factor for gear A is 251.1 and for gear B is 258.2, and the material used for this gear is medium carbon steel S1031B. We use this because it more strength and toughness.
Next is a boat deck. A boat deck is the highest level of a boat or ship where people can walk. It's an open area used for navigation, recreation, and observation. It is often found on larger vessels and may feature sitting areas, promenades, and amenities for passengers. The decks are responsible for carrying loads that is nipa sub and others such as the worker. Hence, the boat of deck can be say is one of the critical components for this project and need to be analyzed. The deck specification is that the deck area is the area of the boat, but we analyze that the nipa sub is placed on deck with area of 0.5 meter times 1 meter, that is 0.0 meter square. The material used for this deck is plywood. We choose plywood as our boat decks because it has yield strength about of 65 megapascals. Then we calculate the safety factor using area that has mentioned just now. The safety factor that we have get is about 20.52. In conclusion, the safety factor of every critical component is analyzed and obtained. Hence, based on the safety factor that have obtained, we can say that the 70 liter of nipa sub can be transported safely from jetty Kampung Lubuk Kurau to jetty Tanjung Apong.